Are so cute.
Hi guys, welcome to Mason Making Tracks. We have a surprise to you and I hope you guys are going to love it. Okay, come on.
Oh my goodness. Mason, what are they? Oh, he's eating her ear.
Hey Pepper, this one's name is Pepper. Oh, you like that? And Mama, Pepper bit my bottom.
Did he?
Yeah. This one's called Toast.
Toast.
Toast and Pepper.
They're so cute. Oh, look how beautiful.
Baby goldies. Hi, Ash. And that's their mama.
And that's their mama.
Her name's Ash.
She's a sweet mama, huh? Oh no, I think Pepper wants some loving.
Oh, he's trying to eat my clothes again. Oh.
Pepper said, "Is it my turn?"
Yeah, it's your turn. Oh. Pepper's a loud one.
Hi, Pepper. Look at his little tongue. Oh. I think Toast loves you.
Hey guys, this guy bit my bottom today. The black and white guy bit my bottom today.
Loves the head scratches. Does that feel good?
This guy loves snuggles. Toast. We were gonna name him Vanilla Ice Cream in a Cone.
Oh. You can kiss the camera?
Okay, got food.
It's just a delicious, thank you.
This guy is as still as a statue.
They are still. They're so tiny. That's how big my hand is.
This is how tall our cats are. They used to be smaller than these things.
Hi, Pepper. Give kisses.
I hope you like this Mason Making Tracks video we made. There's going to be lots more in different days. So, bye guys.